Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to connect Payoneer to Shopify. So let's get started. First, open payoneer.com, and if you don't have an account, then click on the register button and fill the requirements. Now, if you have an account, then you have to click on the sign in button, and now enter your email and password, and you are logged in your Payoneer account. So in another tab, go to your Shopify dashboard, and now click on the settings button, which is on the bottom left corner. And then after selecting settings, now you have to click on the add payment method button. And after clicking add payment method, now you have to search for Payoneer. Now click on the activate button. After clicking on activate, click on the connect button, and then click on the install app button. After that, click on the manage button, and after clicking on manage, that's how you can connect Payoneer to Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.